Hi, it's Michelle from My Purse Strings. I'm going to unbox this humidifier that HiLife sent to me, and I'm going to show you all the cool features it has. So I'm just going to fill this up. So I wanted this humidifier for my daughter's room. I'm tired of humidifiers that are complicated to use, that are difficult to clean, and I'm going to show you how it operates right here. Okay, and then you can see this LED screen here. Okay, I really want to use this mode. This is really cool, the constant humidity button. So there, it will start with an initial setting of 55%. It's going up to that. And then it will keep it at a level of this constant humidity. So your room will always stay at this preset humidity level. Notice there is a smiley face. That means that the humidity is comfortable. That's the level you want it at. There are 3 levels of mist. I can change it to a level 1, 2, or 3. I can also press the sleep mode button, and this has a runtime of 30 hours. So here you can see level 1, and I'm changing the levels right there. You can see how the mist level has changed. I'm gonna put it back to a level 2, a level 1. We love to use this in the winter. We live in the Midwest where we have the heat on constantly. We always get dried out. My kids use humidifiers and ours were kind of old. This is really like a very smart, modern one. I love the sleek design. And it even has a water shortage indicator, which is very cool. To clean it, you're just gonna use either water or vinegar, and you can use some cotton swabs or different things to kind of get any debris or just clean out areas a little more thoroughly. You do not want to leave water sitting in here. So if you're not using it for a week or longer, you're going to empty the water. So don't leave water in there. That will lead to mold or mildew. So loving this, love the smart LED light, love the smiley. It comes out nice. Let's sleep. Humidity, let's go back on here, showing at 54%. So really modern, simple to use, and definitely makes a difference in our household.